In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Circle.so. We'll be going step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully set up your own community on this platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Circle.so website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Circle.so in the address bar. Once on the homepage, you'll notice several options and features that Circle offers, which are perfect for creating engaging communities. So take a moment to look around and get a feel for the interface. Next, we'll create your community. On the website, click on the button labeled Create a Community. This is where you begin bringing your community vision to life. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information to get started, like your community's name and its niche. Be sure to be descriptive, yet concise. This is the first impression many will have of your community, so make it count. Now that your community is created, it's time to customize its look and feel to reflect your brand or personality. For this, go to Settings and then click on Branding. Here, you can change the colors and upload a favicon, which is that small icon displayed in the Browser tab. Opt for colors that are consistent with your brand or theme to create a cohesive look. Remember, this represents your community, so spend a little time making sure it visually aligns with your vision. Once you're happy with the branding, let's move on to content creation. Head over to Spaces and click Create Space. This is where you can add posts, courses, or events. Think about the type of content your community would value. Whether it's a series of informative posts, online courses, or regular events, Spaces lets you structure your content in a way that keeps it organized and accessible for your audience. If you're interested in monetizing your community, Circle.so provides a convenient way to integrate payments. This step is optional, but if you choose to proceed, you'll go back to Settings and then click on Payments. Here you can connect your Stripe account. Stripe allows you to easily collect fees for any paid memberships or products you offer. Make sure you've got your Stripe account set up beforehand to make this process seamless. And that's it. With these steps, you have successfully set up your Circle.so community. Remember,